Hi, my name is Gary McRae and my entry is a DIY plug-and-play solar module system, the importance of which is evidenced here. In 2012, the Department of Energy's Office of EERE announced a $21 million funding opportunity for plug-and-play PV solar. To date, plug-and-play PV solar has yet to be commercialized. Fraunhofer USA was one of those recipients. In this white paper, they state that their approach to plug-and-play solar was to adhere the Lumeta solar modules to an asphalt shingle roof in New Mexico. On page 8 of their white paper, it states that long-term adhesion to a granular asphalt surface won't work. The cost of solar modules have dropped dramatically and to the point where there's very little meat left on the bone. Solar soft cost, as listed above, still have some fat in it. What we're talking about is eliminating the need for the brick and mortar solar stores and the associated costs that go with them. A system so simple it can be sold direct and installed by the consumer. My mounting system is made of aircraft quality aluminum and attaches to the roof just like stone coated steel tile metal roofing panels do. The same starter strip, the same locking method, and the same head flashing at the top. If chosen, I can have a fully operational manufacturing facility producing plug-and-play solar panels within 1 year and within budget of the Ready, Set, Go allocated total winnings. Thank you.